Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping in on Hashing24. We're going to be checking out how our account has changed, and also we're going to be doing a withdrawal and hopefully a payment proof for you as well. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so Hashing24. Now, for those of you that don't know, Hashing24 has been around since 2013. It is still around after many other mining companies disappeared when the big crash in 2018 happened. Since then, they've weathered many ups and downs, but they are still trading and they are still paying. Now, what you have to realize, again, with this program is this is real cloud mining. This is not virtual cloud mining like dual mine and other programs. This is real cloud mining. So basically, when you buy a contract, you are hiring a piece of machinery which is then hosted at the Hashing24 warehouse, and you are paid according to the size of your contract. Now, we purchased a 3 terahash contract back in March 2021, and we're going to go and check that out and see how that has progressed. Okay, so before we get into this, what I'm going to do is, for those of you that do not know about Hashing24, I'm just going to quickly play the intro video for you so you've got an idea of how this program functions.
Welcome to Hashing24, the future of Bitcoin cloud mining. Hashing24 provides cloud hosting services for Bitcoin mining from leading industry experts. We offer you turnkey solutions at the best available price. You get access to the newest and most advanced technologies in the industry, provided by the leading and trustful companies. Bitcoin mining has changed. Today, it is a very complex and technological process. To compete with the biggest mining players, it will require significant infrastructure, high investment, skilled teams of professionals, reliable data centers with uninterrupted cooling, and relatively cheap electricity. For many, these resources were out of reach, until now. Today, Hashing24 made industrial mining accessible for everyone. With Hashing24, you do not need to worry about equipment, maintenance, power outages, or even bad weather. We handle everything for you so you can focus on mining. Start Bitcoin mining within 5 minutes. Simply choose your hosting plan, pay for it, and collect freshly baked Bitcoins. Hashing24. Real Bitcoins from real miners.
Okay, so we just had a very nice promo intro by Hashing24, giving you a bit of an overview and a bit of an understanding of how their program works and what their company is all about. Now, obviously, if this is something that you are interested in, they do have many different types of contracts. So you've got 12-month plans, you've got 18-month plans, you've got 24-month plans, and you have 30-month plans. But you will notice there are two differences. Now, the cheaper one, that comes with a daily maintenance fee. But as you can see, the fee is actually very, very small. And then the other one comes with no maintenance fee. Now, I did make a video when I used this program before, which is about 2 years ago, I think it was 2019, I think it was. And I actually opted for the cheaper one with the daily fee. Now, what I found was back then, and was that BTC was dropping pretty rapidly. And this fee actually really started to make a difference to how much I was earning, to the point where the amount I was mining was not actually covering the fee. So basically what Hashing24 was having to do was have to take that fee out of my profit. So basically I just wasn't mining enough. So like I say, so basically what was happening was the profit that I had earned was getting less and less and less. And in fact, what I did was I ended up opting to withdraw all of my basically profit that I had at the time, was I think was around about maybe 200,000 Satoshis, and it still had quite a few months to run. But because of the way it was going, it was probably going to get to a point, because Hashing24 have a minimum withdrawal requirement like most programs, it looked like it could get to a point where my profit would have declined so much that in fact I wouldn't have had enough in my account to cover to basically make a withdrawal. So that's why I decided to withdraw early. But now this time what we've done is we've taken a 12-month plan for 3 terahashes, but with no maintenance fee. So yes, it is a little bit more expensive, but what it does is it guarantees that all of the Bitcoin you mine goes into your account, and there is no fee taken whatsoever. So whether Bitcoin continues to drop, as obviously it is dropping at the moment, although it is floating around 35 to 37,000, it's not really dropped too far past that. But if it does continue to decline, that fee doesn't come into it. So anything that I am still mining will continue to build in my account without losing anything. So that is why I decided for the no maintenance fee contract. Now again, if this is something that is appealing to you, something that you're thinking about, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier video. Now that is going to show you basically me purchasing the contract, things that you need to go through, give you more information and a better understanding of how Hashing24 works for you as an investor. And if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Okay, so like I say, it's been a month since the last time we were in here. If we dive into the contracts, so as you can see, there's our 3 terahash contract that we purchased on the 3rd of March 2021. The finish date is going to be the 3rd of March 2022. And this is what we have at the moment. So 1 month ago, we had 77,383 Satoshis that we had mined. We have now mined 189,640, and that is only 1 month later that so that is quite a good jump in that time, I feel. Also, what we're going to be looking at today, like I did mention in the intro, is doing a withdrawal. And also, I'm really hoping we are going to be able to give you a payment proof as well. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is basically because I know there's a lot of you guys out there sat on the fence, and ahhing, and not quite sure whether you want to get into Hashing24. And essentially, you are waiting for a payment proof before you do this. So this is what I'm going to try and give you today. Because at the end of the day, like I say, this is the second time I've used Hashing24. It is a good program. It has been around for a good length of time. The only thing, like I say, you have got to bear in mind is that the profits you earn from this are going to be totally different profits than you earn from something like dual mine. Because dual mine is virtual cloud mining. Hashing24 is real cloud mining. So obviously, like I said, is that you purchase a contract, you hire a mining machine, and then you are paid out according to what your contract is worth. So ours is worth 3 terahashes, and it will last for 12 months. Okay, so the real good thing when it comes to the withdrawals, for those of you that are already involved in Hashing24 and may not have noticed this, if we go into withdrawals, now the withdrawal fee used to be 100,000, and the minimum to withdraw used to also be 100,000. Now they've dropped the withdrawal fee to only 50,000, so you're essentially gaining back 50% on that withdrawal fee, and they've also made the minimum withdrawal 70,000 as opposed to 100,000. So that is all really good and obviously positive for us, the miners, essentially, because we're getting more for our money right now. So that is great. Okay, so we'll just click on here. In fact, actually, before we do this, let's just quickly dive into the statement, and you'll be able to see here the kind of what we are earning on a daily basis. So it will fluctuate. If we look at May as well, you'll see that it does fluctuate. So obviously you've got, 17,000 there, 16,000 there, 18,000 there, up to 19,000 there, and 16. So it does fluctuate with the price of Bitcoin. So this is something that you have to be aware of. So, like I say, unlike with virtual cloud mining, where you essentially, it's a set fee or a set price, in a sense, what you are earning, and you will always earn that back. According, if you just get one contract, essentially what you're earning is pretty much stays on a level. With real cloud mining, the amount you earn will fluctuate and can fluctuate quite a lot according to the price of Bitcoin. So like I say, it's something you have to be aware of. So if we dive into withdrawal, and then obviously we're going to be clicking on mind, and then we're going to choose a wallet. You do have to add a wallet to this. You can't just sort of wait to the very, well, you can wait to the very end, but anyway, you do have to add a wallet into this. So what we're going to do is we actually have, so if we take out everything that I've mined, so 89640, so that will leave in basically 100,000, pretty much 100,000, and then it's going to cost us, or this is what we'll receive rather, because obviously the fee of 50,000, so we're going to receive 139,640. Okay, so before we do this, what we're going to do is we're going to log into my wallet so we can actually see it land in there, because I want you guys to actually see it land in the wallet. So let's go and do that. Okay, so this is my Trezor hardware wallet, and this is where we're going to see the withdrawal land. Cross fingers, I'm hoping it's pretty much going to be instantaneous. I mean, it should be coming from a company such as Hashing24, and Trezor is a super fast and really good, reliable hardware wallet. If any of you guys out there are considering a hardware wallet, Trezor has been around for absolutely forever. They're basically the creators of the very first hardware wallet, and they are still classed as one of the top hardware wallets and most secure wallets out there, in case, like I say, just in case you are thinking about getting one. Okay, so let's go back to Hashing24. So this is our withdrawal. We're looking to withdraw 189,640, and we will receive 139,640 because of the 50,000 Satoshi fee. So we click withdraw. Okay, successfully created. Go to your inbox. to receive. Okay, so we've got to confirm it through an email. Okay, so this is the confirmation email. We can see the amount that we have withdrawn. Obviously, that is the wallet that it will be sent to. The type of coins is coins that we've actually mined, and then we just click confirm. That then takes us back to Hashing24 account. And remember, like I said, whenever you're doing a confirmation email, no matter whether it's in CMG, whether it's through Rollercoin, whatever, it's always best to be logged into the account before you click that confirmation email, because every time it's pretty much guaranteed that when you click confirm, it's just going to open up a new tab and take you back to your account. But if you're not logged into it, it can cause some issues sometimes. Okay, so basically if we just go back to the home page, and then what we're going to do is go back to our Trezor wallet. So here we are at our Trezor wallet, and I'm not sure if we can just refresh it or if we just wait. Okay, so I'm not quite sure how many of you actually caught it. Clearly it went straight over my head and I totally missed it. But what I've done is I've just literally looked back through the video after we did the confirmation email and checked out the message that was sent back to us after we clicked confirm. And basically this is what it said. So it said withdrawal was successful, but withdrawal requests are not processed until the next day after the request has been placed. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you the payment proof today, but what I will do is tomorrow, if I can, I will drop into my hardware wallet and I will take a quick snap. And for those of you that are interested, check out the community post tomorrow, as I will put a screenshot of the withdrawal in there so you can see that it did go into my wallet and everything is working as it should do, and Hashing24 is paying as I said it is. Okay, so if you are interested in that earlier video that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. If you could smash that like button, it really, really supports and helps my channel. So if you can, like I say, it's a big thank you from me. Take care, have a great weekend, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.